Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the video is going to be about makeup brushes and their uses. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So yeah, before starting the video, if you are watching me for the first time, please do take a moment and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you face brushes and the eye makeup brushes which are really useful in day-to-day life, which I regularly use. So yeah, let's see what I have got to show you. So let's start with the face brushes first. So for first in the makeup, we do our primer, then the foundation. So so primer के लिए कोई brushes नहीं होती, just you have to apply with the fingers only. So for makeup foundation, I have got this foundation brush. This is how it looks like. It's a flat and tapered brush. It will look like this. You just have to put the foundation over your hand and just take this like this, and just you have to apply it all over your face. So this is the first brush, which is called the foundation application brush. So next we have got the foundation blending brush. This is fluffy and it have a straight fibers over here, so that you can spread the foundation all over your face. So next the brush is called this brush. This is the foundation applicator brush. So yeah, this is a second brush. So after this we use concealer. So for concealer, I have this makeup concealer brush from PAC. This is PAC 215 brush, which is perfect for your going to inner corners and your outer corners like that. So this is the next brush. This is the concealer brush. This is how it looks like. So after concealer, we use regularly powder. So this is called the tapered brush. I have used it and I have to wash it out. So yeah, this is how the makeup brush looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is fluffy and tapered at the end. It is perfect for applying blush and powdering your face, all over your face. So yeah, this is the powder brush. And the powder brush and the blush brush looks alike, but this is a little bit fluffier. I have these two brushes. You can use any of them for powdering and also for blush. So this is how the two blush and powder brushes looks like, tapered and fluffy. So yeah, let's move on to next. Next we have this. This is also the foundation blending brush only, but this is a little bit different. This is too fluffy. So this is the makeup brushes, face brushes. And for highlighter, you have this fan brush, so that you can highlight your bones easily. I mean, highlighting जो parts आप highlight कर सकते हो, वो इस beautiful fan brush से use कर सकते हो for precise application. And so yeah, this is how the highlighter brush looks like. This is called a fan brush too. So this is the highlighter brush. Let's move on to next. This is the angular fluffy brush, which is used for contouring and bronzing. This is how the brush looks like. So for this, the face makeup brushes are completed. So let's move on to eye makeup brushes. For eyes, let's start with the crease. So for crease, you have to a flat and fluffy brush. So I have used it. Sorry, I didn't wash them yet. So this is how it looks like. Little bit flat and tapered at the end, but it is too fluffy, so that you can go into your crease and blend it out. So this is the first brush you have got for eyeshadows. So next, this is also the flat and the same one only, but it is a little bit thin over that. And this is also used for crease eyeshadow application only. So yeah, these are the two eyeshadow brushes, and Then you have got the eyeshadow blending brush, which is a fluffy and flat and little bit tapered at the end. So this is how it looks like. I have used them all, so please bear with me. I didn't wash them yet. So this is how it looks like. So next we have the angular slant brush, with like this is how it looks like. This is used to fill in the eyebrows and also applying the wing eyeliner or eyeliner, gel eyeliners mostly. So this gives you a perfect application of the eyebrow powder or eyebrow setting and like that. So this is the next brush. This is an angular brush for eyes. So next we have got this pulley brush. So yeah, so this is used to comb your eyebrows. So yeah, this is the next product. Next we have got the blending brushes. I have already showed you, but next we have the flat and straight thin brush. This is how it looks like. It is used to apply the eyeshadow under your lower lash line perfectly. So this is the next eye makeup brush. Next what we have got is the flat shader brush to apply the shimmer eyeshadows. So this is how it looks like. This is flat and tapered and thin. This is perfect for applying the shimmer eyeshadows on the eyelids of your eye. So this is how it looks like. Then we have this pencil brush. This is how it looks like. The tip is fluffy, but it's also fluffy and tapered. This is used to apply again in the lower lash line eyeshadow and also to highlight the inner corners. So for highlighting inner corners, this brush is perfect. So most of them are completed. So next, this is called the lip brush. So with this brush you can apply the lip liner and apply the lipstick, the bullet lipstick or liquid lipstick or anything like that. So this is the lipstick applicator brush. So yeah, next we have got this sponge applicator on two sides, which is also useful for inner corner highlighting and also for Cupid's bow highlighting. Also this will you can use this brush to highlight the Cupid's bow and inner corners and eyebrow bone. So yeah, these are the makeup brushes which I regularly use and they are perfect for me. And the makeup brushes which I have showed you are all from Start Makers Kit, and they are affordable to me, and I think these are the basic brushes you just need. And if you are searching for a good eyeshadow brushes, these Start Makers Kit makeup brushes are perfect. They have really fluffy and these hairs are not pokey or like that. They are so fluffy and soft on your skin. So yeah, and I also have reviewed these makeup brushes in my channel. So if you would like to watch it, I will give you the links in the description box. So please don't forget to check that out. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And share your opinions in the comment sections too. And you can also ask me what the other videos you would like to watch in my comment section again. And so yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.